Hi, I'm here today to tell you all about an exciting new range of products. Now, this range of products I've been vigorously testing in my own workshop over the past month or so. Really happy with the results, and this is now my product of choice in my own workshop here at the DPF Doctor. So I'll give you a little run through. DC Lubricants, really high quality range of products. So I'll start off with telling you about this one, which is Engine Oil Flush Pro. Now this product, it is an oil based engine oil flush, so for me that's a huge plus for any technicians out there. So that its carrier is engine oil, so it's nice and safe to use in the engine. So nice quality product. Not a lot you can really say apart from that on an engine oil flush, so we'll put that to one side. Next up, this is an all-in-one petrol in-tank product. So we have Emissions Detox Pro Petrol. So this is a really strong, so rather than you purchasing multiple different products to keep on the shelf, this is compatible with both GDI and non-GDI engines, so there's no need for separate products. Okay, so this is a really powerful pre-emissions test treatment. It has an octane booster in there. It has injector cleaner, so it's going to clean the entire fuel system in there, and it's going to give it a little bit of a performance boost while it's in the tank due to the octane booster. So got a bit of everything in there. Really powerful all-in-one product. So it could be used as part of the annual service where you may be stocking an injector cleaner. Again, it's compatible with GDI engines, so it's no need to buy a separate product. Okay, and also vehicle comes in and emissions are a bit high and you get pre-emissions test treatment. It's all in the one can. So one product on the shelf covering multiple jobs. So there you go, Emissions Detox Pro Petrol. And obviously there is also a diesel version also. So nice, powerful, all-in-one product. The thing for me on this, I've been using this a lot with, obviously I specialize in DPF repairs. So the important thing in this nice all-in-one product is it actually has DPF cleaner in here. So, DPF cleaner, I would have a clearly different way of describing a DPF cleaner and a regenerator. So this works at nice low temperatures, no spikes in temperature in the exhaust system while using it. Seen some really fantastic products. So this also includes injector cleaner. It has some EGR cleaner and turbo cleaner in here also. So this is compatible with all diesel engines, not just vehicles that have DPF fitted. But again, one can on the shelf. So if it's service time and you would traditionally be using an injector cleaner, it has injector cleaner in there. If you've got a little bit of sticky turbo vanes and you might stock a turbo cleaner, it has turbo cleaner in here. And again, DPF guys, if you have a slightly high soot loading, I think that's the place for in-tank products, is if it's a marginal blockage, not a severe blockage, then it has DPF cleaner in here, so it's nice and safe to use. So again, rather than having multiple cans on the shelf, one can, it's an all-in-one product, and it reduces your stock levels on the shelf, doesn't it? So there we go, Diesel Emissions Detox Pro. Okay, so one can on there, use it for service time, your pre-MOT, put it in a couple of weeks before your MOT time. You've got a DPF light on, it ticks all of the boxes for you. So there we go. Next DC Lubricants product that we're going to talk about is, this is something I use a lot of as a DPF specialist. So we have, this is a two-part product. So we have DPF Soak Pro. So we use that alongside the DPF Cleaning Applicator Pro, which is the applicator gun. So it puts this stage into here. So this is stage 1 of the process, DPF Soak Pro. Really powerful product. If anyone watched our social media fairly recently, myself and Steve Scott from Simply Diagnostics really put this through its paces. We had a non-runner, a vehicle recovered, or was a runner just. We had a Ford Transit that was recovered to us. This is a product which was the mystery product at the time because we were doing the product testing. So we've done the stress testing on behalf of DC Lubricants. So DPF Soak Pro is stage 1, and then we have a 2-litre bottle of DPF Rinse Pro, which is a stage 2. So 500 ml of the DPF Soak, which you'll apply and leave in there for 15 minutes to soak, and then we have 2 litres of DPF Rinse Pro. So we are now happy to stock these products on our shelf at the DPF Doctor HQ. Again, we are, we still support other products, but these are my product of choice. One of the reasons, less cans of product on the shelf, rather than having an injector cleaner, a turbo cleaner, a DPF cleaner, we've got it all in one can. So less boxes of product for me to buy, which is always nice, but really important. Very high quality products in the can. So if you want to know more, get in touch with DC Lubricants and they can tell you all about distribution and costs, etc. So okay, cheers folks.